When I got into the chapel, he shook hands and said, I know you. He said, we've met again. I said, oh, what do you know me? And he was saying some years ago, we met at some office that you've been coming. The world is a small place. Supposing I was doing something bad, something evil, or I showed some disrespect many years ago, will I be in this church? You would have said no long ago. Oh, that girl. Oh, stop. She wouldn't do anything for you. But it's because I took the right path. Life hasn't been easy though. But I know our God lives. That is why I'm here today. Mama Zimbi Foundation. All over the world is recognized. So internationally and locally, we are recognized. So it's not a mistake that all widows are part of Mama Zimbi Foundation. We are blessed. We do so many things. But before we'll start something, it depends on you, the widows. I'll be so happy the next time I come here that everybody in this room, if you are a widow, you need to be in a uniform. You need to be proud of the organization that you're part with. And it's not any other organization, but Mama Zimbi Foundation, the Widows Alliance Network. We do so many things. We have widows that they do Gary. We have widows that are sweeping some offices. We have widows that arrange beads. We have widows that they do agbedi.
The challenges they face as a widow. And then most of them are causes by themselves. So once you join a society like this, you must learn to obey and then listen to what others are doing already to achieve this thing. We know we are facing challenge of a single parenthood. You don't have work to do. You don't have big funds. You find it very easy to have a 3 square meal. So the organization will take care of these things for you if you organize yourself very well. I pray that this organization lives long.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you. Yo, you've been here. God bless you. But then we'll have to take a photo. So please go.
Magano, I mean, no lose than Pampang Akpa. Hey, Kakako got talk on a Pogobi dam. I see a feeling. I'm not Pogobi dam, the Yogo touching. I'm a colleague. You are all got you. I love the cat when you are winning.